So this next build is something that I thought would be a simple one for me, though it's harder than I thought. And it seems like it's out of scale compared to the other models I made because it's kind of big. It's actually pretty big compared to the two previous builds that I've done. And it's too bad there's not really many choices for blue wheels and Lego. Anyways, this is the Pain Train team's newest bot, Shreddit Bro. I believe it is the successor to Pain Train, the bot that the same team fought in the previous two seasons with that wasn't very successful and really didn't win many fights. And now they brought a new bot for this season. It's a four-wheeled drum spinner called Shreddit Bro. Could it have the reliability of Minotaur? Is it going to do well this season? Well, I can't say for sure, but can't wait to see it once the fights start airing. Anyways, here's Shreddit Bro. What do you think? It's quite big. It's I think it's out of scale compared to the other models I did. There's not many choices for blue wheels and Lego because Shreddit Bro has completely blue wheels and it's got a blue drum at the front. There are images of it with a blue drum. Anyways, I'll see you next time. So, what do you think of Shreddit Bro? Can you Shreddit Bro? So, until next time, catch you later.